applying math equation in real-life situations.
A specific company needs an assistant in calculating the overall prices for several large orders. This company hired our team to formulate an equation that can be used to determine the price for any numbers of shirts and can be used to determine how many shirts could be purchased for a specific amount of money.
Presentation of concepts. We were hired by a specific company to help them in formulating an equation that could be used to determine how much to charge a customer for any number of shirts. We gathered data from the company such as the fee to set up the design and the price for each t-shirt to be printed. We will be providing at least 3 examples in which our formulated equation works in finding out the total charging fee of a certain number of shirts as a proof that our formulated equation is reliable and valid. Gathered data. According to RJ&B Sublimation Printing Services, their charging fee is 25 pesos each for the design and 50 pesos each for printing. Formulation of equation. Let X be the number of t-shirts to be printed. Let Y be the total fee of the printing services. Equation. Y equals 50x plus 25x or 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. Number 1. Our first responsibility at the company is to make a chart that shows how much a customer would be charged for various numbers of shirts. Make a chart that includes the cost of up to 100 shirts. Equation. 50x plus 25x equals Y. X equals 100. Substitute. 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. 50 times 100 is 5,000 and 25 times 100 is 2,500. 5,000 plus 2,500 is equal to Y. 7,500 is equal to Y. The customer would be charged 7,500 for 100 pieces of shirt. Number 2. How much should the company charge for 150 shirts? How much should they charge for 750 shirts? Explain how you determine your answer. Let X be the number of t-shirts to be printed. Let Y be the total fee of printing services. Given 150 pieces of shirts and 750 pieces of shirts. Equation. 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. X equal to 150. 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. Substitute the x. 50 times 150 is equal to 7,500. And 25 times 150 is equal to 3,750. 7,500 plus 3,750 is equal to 11,250 is equal to Y. Equation. 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. X is equal to 750. Solving. 50x plus 25x is equal to Y. Substitute. 50 times 750 is equal to 37,500. 25,000 times 750 is equal to 18,750. 37,500 plus 18,750 is equal to 56,250 is equal to Y. Conclusion. The company would charge 11,250 pesos for 150 pieces of shirt and 56,250 pesos for 750 pieces of shirts. Number 3. If you have not done so already, write a variable expression that could be used to determine how much to charge a customer for any number of shirts. 50x minus 25x is equal to y, the equation that could be used to determine how much to charge a customer for any number of shirts. If a customer wanted to know how many shirts they could order for 3,000, what would you say? Explain how you figure this out. Data: 3,000 total amount of fee, 50 print, and 25 for the design. Formulated equation: 3,000 divided by 50 plus 25 is equal to x. Solution: 3,000 divided by 50 plus 25 is equal to x. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 divided by 3,000 is 40. So 40 is equal to x. The total number of shirts you can order for 3,000 pesos is 40 pieces of shirts. To get the 40, we must add the printing fee and design fee, and we will get 75. Then divide that 3,000 by the sum of the design fee and printing fee, which is 75, and we will get 40. What if the company charges a one-time fee for 2,000 to set up the design plus 80 for each t-shirt printed? If the company charges a one-time fee of 200 for the design and 80 pesos each for printed t-shirt, the equation would be 80x plus 200 is equal to y. Let x be the number of t-shirt to be printed. Let y be the total fee of printing services. Example: if the customer will order 10 pieces of printed shirts, how much should the company charge for 10 pieces of shirt? Solution: 80x plus 200 is equal to y. 80 times 10 is 800 plus 200 is equal to y. 800 plus 200 is 1,000. So 1,000 is equal to y. 1,000 pesos will be the total charging fee.
Conclusion: the mathematical concept helps in addressing the problem because it illustrates how to do so. It also assists students by encouraging a problem-solving mindset in the environment in which it is employed. How can we gather the necessary payments for the t-shirt design and production if there is no mathematical concept? We use mathematical principles to solve problems. Because of this, we come up with a solution.